grab this piece for you, and then I'm gonna have you pull a piece right down here where it comes to the ham. So I hate to keep feeding you, but
keep feeding me.
Okay, that's good.
Hey, I'm Robby Melvin. Welcome to BBQ&A. I'm here with Pat Martin of Martin's Barbecue Joint, where we're going to talk all things West Tennessee whole hog cooking.
That's right.
So we're going to go through the process, eat it, of course, and just talk some pig.
I'm going to personally make you a sandwich, Robby.
I can't wait. It's been like a dream of mine. So let's get right to it, Pat. What do you think? So Pat, this room kind of has like a heartbeat sort of feel to it. Like this is where it all goes down.
Oh, this is the heartbeat of the whole restaurant.
I'm sitting here staring at West Tennessee whole hog cooking in action right here.
Yes, you are.
What is your average weight on these things? What do you shoot for?
So I would say average is around 185. We put the hog down and we cook a little hot at that point. So you're putting in a cold body. So we cook around 250-ish right in there. And that's when we're really putting the smoke to it. Then when we flip it, we back it down to 200 degrees. So we cook very low.
What is your go-to wood? You have a
hickory.
Hickory all the way. Okay.
Hickory's my preference. You're asking me that. But I believe the best wood is the wood that's most convenient to you. If I can't have hickory burning, using white oak or red oak makes great hogs. I just haven't liked hickory because that's my...
It's what you got, West Tennessee,
and
right?
Specifically pig nut hickory. There's about 8 different kinds of hickory.
Now what was that again? Pig nut hickory?
Pig nut hickory is what I think is the best hickory.
That's very ironic that that's what it's called, and it is infusing this already delicious animal with so many other good things. Is there any kind of rub?
I came up with a rub in my dorm room in 1991, and I just am romantic about it, so I use that. But if you really break a rub down, it's a balance of salt and sugar. I want light brown sugar, some white sugar, some kosher salt, definitely something citric in there, and paprika and chili powder for coloration. It just helps make it look prettier when it's done. But outside of that, I mean, there's, in my opinion, no secret rub recipe out there.
And we've been talking hog, I've been smelling it. So let's get in here and get dirty with this. I'm ready to eat.
Let's go. In this hog, there are 3 primals. Your hams are the leanest part of the hog with the loins. Your bellies, which are right next to it, which is all your bacon comes from, is by far the fattest part. Then you get in your shoulders, you've got a perfect balance of fat and collagen. All right, listen, man, before we go make this sandwich. Can I pull you some jowl meat or some belly meat?
I would love for you to pull me some of that. If I said no, I'm in the wrong business.
This is kind of like the special part right here. This is,
it's the jowl.
Well, that is like a little oyster in here.
Whoa, yes.
I'm gonna scrape this.
Oh my God, I need like to bow down to that, man. That is like pork belly at its finest.
But I'll get you a little bit right here.
The juices are just incredible. I mean, you can see like just all that moisture coming out. I mean, like.
Yeah, if you don't like that, something's wrong with you.
Something's wrong. It's, oh my God, Pat, that is delicious.
Thanks,
like,
I mean, let's go make a sandwich, because now you got to have it
all
put together.
Let's hit the whole thing, everything bite. All right, before you lay this sandwich on me, I can't resist. I got to get in here.
Of course.
I mean, it's just staring me in the face. I'm smelling it. I feel like delicious fat, juicy. Oh my God. It's hard to believe this is about to get even better. Let's do it.
Let me make you a sandwich.
Please.
The thing a lot of people do, and in my opinion, even at barbecue joints, but a lot of people at home is they get overly proud of their portion size. And a lot like we were talking about balance with fat and acid before, you also have to have balance on size. You know, like, you know, a lot of the chef-driven burger places now, you can't even get your mouth around the burger to get it in. You don't enjoy it.
Right.
So I like to keep it right at, I know what 4 ounces is because we look at it every day, but just use your own judgment. Don't get the dadgum thing built up so much that it falls out all over whoever you have coming over your house and all. I mean, you know, keep it manageable.
Okay, here. All right, let's go. Juice and all.
That's all in there.
Oh my God. Well, Pat, I think we might have a problem here. I don't think we got enough. You know,
you don't think so?
This is unbelievable, and I'm seeing a lot of the usual suspects done your way. Got the pork, brisket, turkey, chicken, This is amazing. What I'm intrigued with the most is the whole hog. I mean, why whole hog for you? I know you're a Tennessee, born and raised, right?
That's why I learned to cook. You know, I love grilling and I loved eating barbecue, but I'd never had anybody show me how to cook barbecue until I went to Freed Hardeman, and it was literally week 1, and I ate at all the joints in Henderson. There were like 6.
There were 6 whole hog joints in Henderson.
Yeah, and there was only like 6,000 people, but Harold Thomas is who taught me, mentored me, and that's the first thing I ever saw. That is literally how I learned to cook barbecue, was from Harold. All those joints are gone now. It's sad. It's kind of on a path of extinction. So now there's only 3 brands left in the entire state, ours being one of them, that are still cooking whole hog.
Let me ask you this, your barbecue is your life. You look at this food, you taste it every day. What are you gonna eat for your last meal? Someone says, hey Pat, this is what you got. This is what you're going out on.
So, I want to tell you that I'm not saying this because we have cameras and all this, we're doing the shot.
Yeah.
It would be a whole hog sandwich to slaughter. No joke.
Hey man, I can attest to that because that bite was, I mean, it was that good.
Yeah.
Pat, before we leave, man, it'd be a real honor if you would sign our BBQ&A board there.
Yeah, honor for
with
me.
Your best
That's
Pat
cool.
Martin.
I like this.
Yeah, man. We're real fortunate to have folks like yourself want to come and talk about their craft, so we always want to document it. Beautiful. Thank you, sir, very much. Good times, good food.
Appreciate you very much.